Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Shein app not working problem. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Shein app. Now tap on app info option. Once you tap on app info option, then tap on storage usage uh, option on the top. And here you will see two options, clear cache and clear data. So clear the both option. Now we have cleared both the data. So the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPhone. Now tap on search option in the bottom, and now tap on search bar on the top, and here search for Shein, and now tap on OK. Here you will see update button option. So simply tap on the update button and update the app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.